All right, we're here today with Josephine, and Josephine is about to start her treatment with Dr. Davis. So, Josephine, tell me, what is an average day like with those knees of yours?
Oh, they are hurting and they're real stiff. And then it makes my back hurt.
Okay,
I can't bend over and squat like I should.
okay. What else is it holding you back from doing?
Well, climbing stairs is a no-no.
Yeah, you just try to avoid those at all
I
costs.
try to avoid my stairs at all time.
Right. Now, have you seen any other doctors for this?
About a year ago, I had an injection in each knee.
Okay. And
they
how
want to do replacement, and I don't want to have a knee replacement.
do you know what kind of injections they did?
Is it cortisone? I think
Okay.
it's cortisone.
Okay, it's a steroid. Okay.
Yeah.
How did that work out for you?
For a couple of months it was okay, but then I'm right back to where I was.
And then it wore off. I see.
And he said I should just go on and have the replacement, but I don't want a
I
replacement.
don't want it. I don't want it.
I don't want surgery.
All right, so you and I had discussed earlier your discomfort level today, and you're at about a 7.
Yes.
Is that an average for the day?
And most of the time 6 and 7 is
Okay.
an average day.
Okay.
Yes.
All right. So I'm going to have you do a couple things for me. I'm going to have you stand up for me. Okay. Where did you feel that?
Right here.
Right there.
Yes.
Okay. On the inside and the outside of that kneecap. Okay. All right. So I'm going to have you take 2 steps forward. All right. Feet shoulder length apart. Arms out in front. Keeping your heels on the ground. I'm going to have you squat down as low as you can. Right there. I can see it on your face. Slowly come back up. Where did you feel that?
Right in here.
Okay. Like above the knee, do you think?
Yeah, right in the knee and
Right through
above
the
it.
middle.
Yes,
Okay.
right there.
Yep.
Mhm.
All right. I'm going to have you go up and down the stairs. Please hold on to the railing.
Now. All the way across.
Wow, that you tell that hurt. Yeah.
Oh, that hurts.
So, was it hurting when you were bending your knee or when you were putting the weight on it?
When I put the weight on it, it
The
really
weight.
hurt.
Yeah. Okay. Cuz it didn't seem like it was a smooth transition. Okay. All right. Let's go up the stairs and see what you got here.
It's that same thing.
Okay. All right.
This one hurts worse when I go up and down the steps than
Okay.
the right one.
And that's your left knee.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's the one that really bothers whenever I go up and down. Well, usually I go down the steps sideways. I don't put all my weight on it like that.
Right, because that way it doesn't cause as much pain.
Mhm.
Okay. So, which was worse, going up or down the stairs, or was it the
It
same?
was about the same each way.
Okay. So, the stairs, squatting, or going from sitting to standing, which caused you the most pain?
The stairs.
The stairs.
Oh, yeah.
So, that's going to be our project. That's what we're going to work on, going up and down those stairs smoothly and pain-free. You ready to
Okay.
get started?
Yeah.
Let's do
I'm
it.
ready.
All right, we're back with our rock star, Josephine. All right, we finished her procedure with Dr. Davis. So let's see what you got, girl. Can you stand up for me?
Sure.
Ha ha.
Yeah.
Now let's take 2 steps forward. Feet shoulder length apart. Arms out in front. How low can you go?
Oh, my gosh.
Holy cow.
Holy cow. Almost to the floor.
Wow. Now let's try the stairs now, because the stairs was giving you
Okay.
the biggest problem before.
Oh, yes.
Oh my God, smooth as silk.
Yeah.
Did you see that?
Oh, my gosh. I can stand on this leg. There's a little pain there.
Right.
But I could.
Well, it was at a 7 when we started. What do you think the pain is now
Oh.
in that leg?
It's probably about 4, 3 maybe.
All right, so we got 50% improvement after the first try.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
what other changes have you noticed?
Well, my back is not hurting.
Okay. All right. That's awesome.
And that was the most important thing because I couldn't stand up no time. I'd have to go to the table and sit.
And to rest, because you would get tired.
Mm-hmm.
All right.
My back feels terrific.
Anything else you want to tell anybody out there?
Go for it. I'm 88. Go for it.
All right. 88. Oh, and you are a rock star today, I'm telling you. Well, it, Josephine.